Please hang up and try again.
Hey, where are we headed?
To a holiday house.
A holiday house? Is it holiday?
Yes.
How about a thumbs up?
Look! It's sunny!
Is the weather sunny?
Look at it, more suns!
All right, let's go. There we go.
That's cool.
You think we got enough stuff in there?
Yes.
Do we have everything we need?
Yes.
Is your bike helmet in there? Where's your bike helmet?
Right there.
Okay, is your bike in there?
Yes.
Where?
Right there.
Is your potty in there?
Yes.
Okay, good to go. Can I get a thumbs up, please? Looks like we're going to a carnival.
He's going 10 bikes, Daddy.
10 rides?
Yes.
I don't know if they have 10 rides.
Oh, Daddy, what?
Are you going to hold my hand
Yeah.
the whole time?
Okay. Look, right there.
You don't go running away, right?
Hold on there. I'm still on it.
That bear?
Yeah, right there.
Are you ready to go on a ride?
Boy. What? He have sweats on? Yes, Daddy.
All right.
He's ready for soccer.
Come on, let's go.
He's gonna be out.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Silly.
You're
No,
silly.
no, Daddy.
Hey, let's go on that one right there.
No, Daddy, no, Daddy.
Not that one? That one? Okay, come on, let's go. Stay over here. Stay over here.
And just do a Daddy.
Huh?
And just do a Daddy. A house car, Daddy. That's
All
a
right.
car.
Hey, what are these, Robert? Look at all these. Should we try and win something? You want to try and throw the baseball at it? All right. Oh, get all the way over here on this side. Then we can look out there. Yeah, there's Mommy. Mommy's gonna wait for us out there. We're inside the bear. Look at, there's the bear's face. Oh, there's his hat, his ears. Are you guys ready for this? Yeah. Look at all the carnival out there.
Spaceship too, Daddy.
What spaceship?
That spaceship.
Oh, you want to go in that? I don't know, son. That might make you sick. Oh, here we go. All right. Now we're gonna go around. Now we get to do the real ride. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm going there.
Here we go. Say hi to mommy. And then we can spin it like this. See, and then we can always watch mommy. Look at it, see? Do it, spin us. Yeah, here we go, there we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You're spinning us. See? Whoa. Look at that bear. Roar. Whoa, good job, pull it. Push.
You do it, Daddy.
All right, here we go. Okay, there. That's better, huh?
Spin by yourself.
Yeah, it'll spin a little bit by itself. That's the big steering wheel right there. There you go. There you go. Good job. You want me to do it? There we go. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Much better. Whew, I'm dizzy. Are you dizzy?
Yes.
I'm so dizzy. Oh my goodness. What's this? Is this the holiday house?
Mommy's going inside. Where's Mommy going?
She's gonna go get Charlie. Where's the door?
Right there.
Is this the holiday house? That's how we get in, but Mommy has a code that we... Yeah, don't push that.
It's back.
It's called a doorbell.
Oh.
I'll show you how to use that in a little bit. You want to go to the park first and then eat your Starbucks sausage, yummy sausage and egg wrap?
Yes.
Can I have a bite?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Oh. Mmm. So good. Okay, come on.
I'll make it out.
What?
You, Daddy.
What?
You buckle my seat down.
Oh my gosh, did I not get your seatbelt off? Oh, can you break it?
Oh, you please help me.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Let me slide down you.
Can you slide him down him? There you go. How about you ride him like a cowboy? One-handed. Yeehaw! Yeah.
He's too big.
Is he?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, who wants to go to the zoo?
Me. I don't see anything.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Hey, get me out.
Can't you? What do you mean get you off?
Just get my seatbelts off.
Oh, did I not get it off yet?
Yes.
Oh, is it? Are you still stuck?
Yes.
Try,
please.
pull harder.
No, please help me.
Okay, I'll help you.
Whoa, I said something.
Here's one right there.
Hi.
It's okay.
Oh, he wants some money.
Break them in half. Break. There you go.
Whoa, the baby?
I don't know. Here. Whoa.
Dada, you got it. Here's a more for you.
That's awesome.
Wow.
Here you go. Man. Wiped out again. Thanks everybody for joining us on our holiday. We had a great time visiting family and friends. Hope to see you again soon.